driver. I was like, yo, you know what I'm saying? Oh, car went off the road. Damn. Yeah, look at this one. Look at this one. Another one. Cutting everybody off. Oh, so I think tomorrow's my Friday too.
There's a tree coming.